This video is for educational purposes only. All testing is done in a controlled home lab environment. Do not use these tools on any systems you do not own or have permission to test. Hey guys, welcome back to another installment of our OSINT series. Today we're going to be taking a look at Mr. Holmes. Mr. Holmes is an OSINT tool that helps you gather information on things like usernames, domains, and also includes other things to help you in your OSINT journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go ahead and download Mr. Holmes. We're here on the GitHub page now, and I'll leave a link in the description below for the Mr. Holmes GitHub page. From here, we'll copy and paste the following commands into our terminal, and this will start the install process for Mr. Holmes. Once the installer launches, it will ask you what you want to do. We want to begin the install by pressing option 1, and we'll choose the auto install option by pressing option 2. This will install everything we need to make sure Mr. Holmes runs correctly. When prompted to, type Y to confirm and the install's finished, so now we're ready to go ahead and start using Mr. Holmes. So let's do a social media search for myself and see what we get. It's going to ask if we want to use a proxy. Seeing how this is just a demo, we're going to select no. Next, we'll pick option 1, and this is going to search for a username across different websites. One thing that I really like about Mr. Holmes is that it saves the results automatically to a .text file, so you can come back to it and review everything without having to rerun the scan. Now keep in mind the results aren't 100% accurate. For example, it says I have a Twitch account, which I don't, but it also shows that I have a GitHub account, which I do have. So treat these results as leads and not proof. The best thing you can do is just verify each link individually to make sure that's what you're looking for. Let's do another search for me, but let's use my email instead. So we'll go with option 8 for email address, and then we'll type in our email here. We will go with option 1, and as you can see here, it's generating a whole bunch of results for us. It also generated some Google Dorks results. I checked these out as well, and none of these proved worthwhile. It also lets you know that the results that it found was saved in a .text file. So let's go ahead and take a look at the .text file now. Mr. Holmes also has a basic port scanner, and I'll show you how that works now. We'll select option 7, and for the purpose of the video, our target machine is going to be my Metasploit VM that I have set up. Now we're going to choose option 2 to scan for any open ports, and as you can see here, it displays the results on the screen, and it also saves them to a .text file so you can review those results at a later date. Finally, I want to show you the configuration options, just in case you ever need to make some changes. One quick note, if you need to make any configuration changes, you're going to have to log in as root. Once you're logged in as root, we'll go ahead and select option 4, and this takes us to the configuration area. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of options that we can mess with. Take the time to sit down and look over these options. That way you better familiarize yourself with Mr. Holmes. And that's it for Mr. Holmes, guys. Play around with it down in the comments below. Let me know if this is the OSINT tool for you. And like always, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you on the next one.